Listen, Neha. Finish up fast.
You all go. I have brought my lunch.
We have also brought lunch. And this was a bonus surprise. You do one thing. Take your lunchbox and eat it there, okay? Now don't keep nagging about it. You come fast. Carrot pudding?
This is my lunch box. I'm going out. I'll be late.
Neha, listen. Please click my picture.
Shefali, take the selfie later. I have too much work.
Neha, come on,
Shefali, please.
Neha, but it's written on this. There's an entry of rupees 1 million, right?
But sir, I really didn't take the money.
Sir, if Shefali is saying so confidently that she hasn't done all this, then I'm so sure that there is some issue with these papers.
What happened, Shefali? Did Sir shout on you too much? If Neha was there, then this wouldn't have happened.
Neha. I remembered some work. Anu dear. There is a good news. I came here fast as I was unable to hold my excitement.
What is it, Dad?
Today I met our priest. This month is very good for your wedding. Dear? What happened? And don't cry. Look, you won't go anywhere away from this house. Will I ever let you go or feel like this? Look, you will stay here and your future husband will also stay here. I mean a house husband. Is it okay with you? Huh?
Yes, Dad.
All right. Then I will tell the priest to fix a date today. We shall finalize one among that. Okay. Okay.
Sister Anu, shall we go to office?
Brother Ritesh,
What happened?
it's nothing. Let's go to Yashwardhan Chaudhary's office before we go to our office.
To the Chaudhary's office. For what?
I have some work.
Okay.
I will ask her. This Shefali will surely be knowing about that girl. Hi, Shefali.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
How come you are here suddenly?
Yes, I'm here to meet Yash.
Oh,
The thing is that I have to keep an eye on him nowadays, that's why.
keep an eye on Yash, sir.
What do I tell you? I don't know what's wrong with our Yash. I'm like his mother. I'm always worried about him. He doesn't eat properly, nor is he concerned about his health. In fact, ever since our Neha passed away, he's so disturbed that... Shefali, what I feel is that we should understand him since we are only there for him. And we have to get rid of his loneliness, right?
Yes, it's true, ma'am.
I feel that someone should come into our Yash's life. Huh? I mean, someone should come in his life so that he will become his old self, right? Then our Yash will start speaking openly and will start to laugh and smile. He will start to joke. Someone like that.
Aunt Simi. Simi. How come you are suddenly in office?
I came just now. In fact, I was talking to Shefali about some important matter.
You were talking to Shefali about something important?
Your wedding? What? When are you getting married? Huh?
Very soon.
That's wonderful. Fantastic news. Heartiest congratulations to both of you in advance.
Thank you.
Okay, I will leave. I will go and meet Yash.
Shefali, I hope you didn't speak anything to Aunt Simi about Yash and Anushka.
So, do I speak about such important matters in front of anyone?
Yes, you always do that. Did you speak?
I didn't.
All right.
May I come in?
Hey, Aunt, come in, please, please.
Sit.
Sit. You here? Is everything fine?
Everything is okay. I'm here to keep a watch on you.
What?
Since you don't tell me the truth, so I'll have to keep a watch on you.
What do I not tell you?
Now look, you stay out of the house the whole night, but don't tell us where you went. So I thought about coming to office and check if there is a problem.
It's not like that. I said, right, that there was a client meeting which got extended and so we got late. And goodness.
Oh, yes, you have told me. What is the client name?
Goodness.
Yes, Goodness. Right. I just spoke with them. About a deal? That time they said that they didn't do any such meeting with you. In fact, they are waiting from your end so that they can do the meeting with you.
Really? But why did they...
What happened, Yash? Yash, why are you cheating us? You can cheat the world, but you cannot cheat a mother. Do you get that? You consider me your mother, right? But still you feel that you can cheat me? Yash, what is happening? Why are you so disturbed? I'm worried for you. I'm telling you that. I'm worried for you. And since Neha has left, I'm more worried. Which matter is disturbing you so much? Tell me one thing honestly. Please tell me honestly. You went to the Mehta's house by telling us that you are going for a meeting? right?
Yes.
Why, Yash? Why are you going there? What is there with the Mehtas? Yash, why do you go there again and again? Oh, I understood. You consider me a stranger, right? No, I understand. We all have become strangers for you after Neha's death. You won't tell me, right?
Aunt, actually,
I will tell her. I will tell her. I had felt that we need to say it. I had told you to tell your family about it.
What? What happened? What happened?
That we are working along with the Mehtas. We are doing a joint venture along with the Mehtas. But it's just for one project, right?
What?
yes.
We are doing a joint venture with them for the hospital project. And that day we did a meeting for the same. That night,
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Samir. Good that you came on time. Just see, I have been asking Yash about this since so long. Only Almighty knows when Yash would have given me the answer for the same. Thank you so much. Yash, but let me remind you, Mehtas are our arch rivals. They are old competitors. I hope you know that.
Yes.
So, why are you doing a joint venture with them in such a scenario? You took such a big decision all alone without consulting any one of us. Why? What is all this for? Why are you doing, Yash?
Aunt has trapped Yash perfectly. Now Yash won't be able to lie no matter what. Listen, Sister Anu. Listen to me. You go alone. I won't come.
Why? What happened?
No, that I scolded him so much over the astral chart that day that he won't even let me stand in his office and threw me out. So I.
Are you scared?
No, it's not like that.
It's okay. I'm going now. I will call you once everything is normal.
Okay.
For Neha. I'm doing all this for Neha, Aunt.
Yash? Are you sure? Did you take this decision alone? No, Yash, take my oath. Take my oath and tell me if anyone is forcing you to take this decision.
No.
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 Of course not. Why did you feel that? I mean, who can force me to do this?
Okay. Then it's fine. Yash, good that you told me all this. Now I can go home relaxed and tension-free.
Yeah.
Aunt, can I come? Sorry. Simi, can I come to drop you?
I know the way.
Oh.
Okay, Yash? Take care.
Yeah, please. Shall I drop you
No,
outside?
no. Sit.
Oh. Now I desperately need a coffee.
Is it? Take.
Thanks. Brother, there's nothing in this.
Then order it. Because the landlines are not working.
Who is she? It seems as if I have seen her somewhere. Oh, she is the same girl who was speaking over the phone at the Mehta's house. Yes, her clothes seem similar. Oh my goodness. So this girl has come to office following Yash. Excuse me? You are Mehta, right?
Yes, I'm Anushka Mehta. Who are you?
Sister Anu, your mobile got left in the car.
Hey,
Ma'am, we have to go upstairs. We have an urgent meeting. You meet her after the meeting, please.
Yeah, sure.
remove it fast. I had almost forgotten it.
What is this? A scarf?
Hey, yes. Actually, I'm going to Yashwardhan's office, right? No one should find out or they will be in shock.
All right. All right then. Complete and give this to me. Neha.
Sorry. I'm not Neha. I'm Anushka Mehta.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I mean, Anushka.
It's okay. Even if I'm not Neha, but still, you can be my friend. Tell me if you ever need me. I'm always there. Take care.
You too.